Right, we're cutting across to live reactions.
Congress elections are very important for Congress. How do you look at these movement, like the disturbances in political right now in Karnataka? How would you think it would affect in
No. These are the issues which will be our party issues. There is nothing called disturbances. These are to be the issues to be raised with the High Command, and High Command will settle it appropriately and as immediately as possible.
His delegation is going to Delhi, sir.
What
For
delegation?
cabinet
No, that question doesn't arise.
and CM is also going to Delhi.
If they are going to Delhi, they will go to Delhi anytime when our leaders call them. They will go.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so that is a reaction from HK Patil. We will continue getting you all of those reactions you've heard from all of our panelists here. Thank you so much, gentlemen. Like I said when I started off, that on a busy Thursday evening, you've taken the time out to join us here. Hopefully, the next time you're with us, we'll have answers, and each one of us will be able to say definitively who the Chief Minister is next year this time. But thank you so much, gentlemen, for your time. Thank you for joining us here on India Today. Okay, let's cut across now also to the conversation that we had an hour ago with the Karnataka BJP Chief, B.Y. Vijayendra. He was asked specifically on whether the BJP is going to be moving a no-confidence motion against the Siddaramaiah government, looking at what's happening right now. Here's what he said. Listen.
Is the BJP then planning to bring some kind of no confidence motion given the kind of the manner in which this musical chair is being played in Karnataka?
I need to discuss with all our senior leaders and then take a call on this issue. But I don't think day is too far because our assembly session is bound to begin on December 8th at Belgavi. So I will discuss with all senior leaders and then we'll come to conclusion. But the fact remains, the fact is, because of the infighting of the ruling Congress government, because the people of Karnataka have reposed a lot of faith on Congress party in 2023. And they have given a clear mandate, more than 136 MLAs. But 2023 to 2025 November, I think it's a total despair across Karnataka. People are really upset with this Congress government because of the non-performance of the Congress government.